Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. If you are going to purchase this particular device, import V3 for your Samsung desk setup. So my recommend is this portronics device does not work with Samsung S25 Ultra. Okay, so you have to purchase something else like this, and these things work with Samsung S25 Ultra. Then you can simply use Samsung DeX on your monitor. So that's guys very simple video. It is only stated that this particular device does not work with Galaxy S25 Ultra. That means this may be work with Samsung Galaxy Pad and any other Samsung phones, and also these things work with my my OnePlus 70 and not working on my S25 Ultra. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.